The thermal energy inside a house is gradually dissipated outside. So homes are usually kept warm using boilers and radiators. They work by first generating a lot of thermal energy to raise the temperature in the home. But why do we need to keep generating thermal energy when the house is already warm? This is due to heat loss from the house. There is a heat flow from the warm inside to the colder outside. So heat can escape from any surface of the house. This could be the walls, the floor, the roof, or even the windows. And the energy is dissipated faster for houses with large surface areas. So how can we reduce the heat that is lost through the walls? Walls are thick and insulated to reduce the rate heat is lost through them. So thick walls are better for keeping the heat in, simply because the heat has further to travel. When building walls, we want to use insulating materials like brick to reduce the heat flow, rather than conductors like metal. Modern houses even include a layer of foam in the wall, as foam is made up of small air pockets, so it has low thermal conductivity. This means it's a good conductor and it offers better structural integrity. These materials all combine together to reduce the rate at which heat escapes. This means the home is kept warmer for longer. For your exam, you will be expected to give this as a way of reducing heat loss in homes and also describe how it works. So can we do something similar for windows? Double glazed windows have an air gap to reduce thermal conductivity. So we can't use insulating foam for windows as it's not transparent. So instead we use air. Air is a good insulator, so by introducing an air gap between the two panes of glass, we reduce the heat loss and therefore slow down the heat conduction. So what other ways can we help to keep heat in our homes? Insulating lofts reduces the heat lost through the roof. So within our homes, the heat rises into the loft. So by insulating either the roof or the floor of the loft, we can reduce the heat loss and save money. Carpets help to insulate the floor. There are various materials that can be used for flooring, but let's compare two of them. If we have tiles and also carpet, tiles are a better conductor of heat, whereas carpet is insulating. So carpeted floors lose less heat than a tiled floor. We can also use insulation underneath the floorboards to help keep heat in. You might not be expected to state these methods when asked about ways of reducing heat loss in homes, but you might be expected in your exam to explain how they reduce heat loss when they're given to you.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy to follow videos and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Physics course. See you there!